guys, it's Lil. So I've been joking for a couple videos now about how if this whole hair color thing doesn't go well, then I'm going to shave my head. As you can see, it's not going great. I just barely filmed a video where I tried out using Fanola shampoos, the toning shampoos on my hair, and leaving them on. And as you can see, all that really did was turn the top of my head kind of blue. So I am tired of this process. All I want is to have hair that is just mostly one color again. And to be honest, this hair is just not feeling great. It's just kind of dead and it's losing its wave pattern from all the coloring, and I want to kind of start fresh. So all those threats about shaving my head are not coming true today. I'm just gonna cut a whole bunch of my hair off. More hair than I've ever cut off before. It's going to be shorter than I've ever had it. And I'm doing it all myself. And I don't know how to cut hair. So this one will almost certainly end up on a hair fails compilation. But it's quarantine. What are you gonna do? If you've seen me do things before, welcome back. If you are interested in seeing me do things on a regular basis, please go ahead and subscribe and also ring the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Let's get started. So my husband is looking super excited and he's going to help me learn how to use this thing. I've never used one before.
Yeah. So you said you needed a number 5?
Yes. I did watch some tutorials on people cutting their own pixie cuts basically, and I'm going pretty short today. I'm cutting off all this weird orange stuff. Why are you shaking your head?
Just get in the garden. There's this big metal one and then this little guy, and it's a little guy that moves.
Okay, so what my first plan is I'm gonna cut the underside of it first. I'm gonna chop off a lot of the back layer, and then you're like having some kind of horrible flashback right now. I'm gonna have to comb out my hair, I guess. So I've been treating my hair like I actually should have been my whole life, and treating it like it's wavy, and so I haven't used one of these in a while, and so we're about to see what that does to this hair. Yep, that's about what we thought, but I have to do this to make sure it's parted.
Sorry. I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, my heart stopped. All right, so now I'm gonna section off my hair, which is gonna be kind of difficult because I can't see the back of my head, unfortunately. It's terrifying. It doesn't help that it's starting to get like super hot here, so it's just very not a fun time to be doing this, but also it's the best possible time to do this because life is too short. Ow. In case you could hear that, that was my knee. First cut. Okay. Sometimes you just have to do things. You can't hesitate. You just gotta do it. Oh my God. I'm losing it. Oh, it feels so short. Just gonna...
You know, people go to school for this.
Well,
just like how they go to school to build bridges, and
you know, those people aren't here right now, so they can't really help me. It's just so many different colors. So sad. Oh well.
And I'm starting from the lining. Cutting as that's happening.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Is that gonna work, or do we need it smaller?
It's shorter. It just got rid of like And we can see it on her shoulders. It got rid of the fuzzies.
Ow, my knee. So should we do it smaller then?
Let's do a number 2. Come on.
There you go. That worked. Wow.
Yeah, I think that helped a lot.
Okay.
God.
On to the next thing. Okay, so the goal for this is I'm trying to keep it shortest on the bottom and most full on the top. So that's also going to be my strategy when clipping the excess. All right, so now it's really getting real because I could hide the undercut. Can't hide this. I'm using the wrong scissors. Yes. I wish you guys could see how much hair is coming off of my head right now because it's so much. Go in the back and see what that guard does and then do it all over.
All over?
Well, just...
Oh yeah, this is taking some length, alright.
Good. I gotta say, this is probably one of the most impulsive things I've ever done. I don't hate it. I mean, here's the thing. By the time it's socially acceptable to go out and do things again, I can always just go get it fixed. So, I'm not super concerned. Alright, this is the last of the sides. So, let's get it going. All right. Whew. The color looks better already. I don't hate this so far, aside from the fact that I currently look like Albert Einstein. It already feels so much like healthier. Yes. That's the look. Wow. Since I do want this to be where the part is, I'm gonna start my cutting right here. I'm sweating. I think I'm just about done with this. I just want to do maybe one more guard up because I like to push my luck. Not that this is really a lucky look to begin with. What? What? Just trying to get off some of the... What?
That's good.
See? Told you.
You're like Robin Wright.
Ooh. I'm sweating so much. This has taken me about an hour and a half. I think it could look a lot worse. I'm not gonna lie, the back looks pretty terrifying. But considering how much worse it could be, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna shower and get all this hair off of me, and then we're gonna see if any more of it needs to be cut while it's wet. So it is a couple days later. Actually, no, it's more like a week later. Yeah, so my hair is super short, as you can see. It's growing on me a little bit. The color obviously looks a lot better. I didn't completely get all of the orange, but I do want this to grow back out. Having short hair, or at least having hair this short, is definitely a new experience for me. It's very odd. It has lost a lot of its wave since it is so short. I'm not very wavy at the root, so this is actually pretty much where it starts being wavy anyways, right about this length. So right now it's pretty much, I have relatively straight hair right now, and pretty much my styling routine is just brushing it and putting pomade in it to keep it kind of sleek like this. I do prefer this over the kind of messier look right now, but yeah, this isn't gonna be my style forever. It is nice right now though, and I'll probably eventually do a video more about having short hair, but I am mostly just shocked that it turned out so well and that it doesn't look like a mess. So that is all that I have for now. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that I will see you in the next video. Bye.